Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's STC 1000, and we received it not long ago, and it's not working. So I'm going to show you how to make it work. So right now I'm going to test it for you to see, and you know it's not working. So here is the power side. Here is the power side. So here's the cable. I'm going to plug it. So you see it's not working, but if I use the tester and test this side, you can see the light. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what to do and it should work. So from the manufacturing shop or warehouse, they always do a mistake by joining two wires together, which causes the thermostat not to work properly or not to on. So I'm going to show you right now where the problem is coming from. So come forward. So they've joined two capacitors over here, which you should try and separate. So I'm going to separate the two for you to see what is going on. So right here you can see they've joined these two together. So I'm going to separate them. Okay, so now you can see I have separated this one from this one. So we are going to test it again and see how it's going to work. Okay, so now you can see after I did the separation, it's now working. So yes, this is how you should do your thermostat if it is not coming. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below and subscribe on this video, and let's get about 15,000 likes on this video. Thank you very much.